Hello guys, welcome to the channel again. Today we have a great adventure trip. We rode the bikes on Biketoberfest weekend at Daytona, but we didn't go to Daytona, we went to Mount Dora. You'll see beautiful shots. We rode all the way down from Jacksonville. We took State Road 13, went through Palatka, and then from Palatka all the way to Mount Dora, we took State Road 19 that crosses across the Ocala National Forest. It was such a beautiful ride. Two-lane road, long, some curves, some hills, and almost no cars. It was just so peaceful. It was probably one of my favorite rides so far. I hope you enjoyed the footage, and if you like this content, please like and subscribe. Peace out. Guys, so today is Biketoberfest weekend. We may or may not stop over there, but we love what we love is to ride around the area. And now we are in Mount Dora. We had a fantastic ride coming down 13 and then 19 state roads in Florida, middle of Florida. Just the footage is spectacular. There are barely any cars, and because it's Biketoberfest weekend, everybody's riding. So you see a ton of motorcycles. It's super cool. Now we're at Mount Dora. We're at the Lakeside Inn. It's an historic hotel. It has a fantastic view. The town is excellent. We just had Cuban food, right? And now we are at the sunset. I'm gonna turn it around. This is the view from the hotel.
Nice. Did you say that it was a resort? It used to be a resort? Yes.
There is a nice view. Look, there is a boat there. It's probably gonna
The canal tours or something
probably
like
gonna
that. I
give
think it is.
some tour or something. Let's see if we can catch it up. But anyway, very Mount Dora is a very nice place. Must visit the right down South
A
19.
beautiful little town.
It was
Beautiful
the
little
ride
town.
was amazing. The
It's magical
towns-
for Christmas. It truly is. It's magical for
There you
Christmas.
go.
The Christmas lights are just gorgeous. I mean, all Christmas lights are beautiful, but we've been here during Christmas, and it's just a gorgeous little town. Actually, they sell Christmas ornaments, all year round, and I've seen ornaments still on, but not on, if you know what I mean, like not turned on, but they're still, in the decorations in some of the trees. I think they keep them so that they don't have to like restring them again, but check it
Very
out.
cool. And the hotel place is Lakeside Inn. Truly recommend. They have just the main building, and they have a few small
Not that
homes.
small. I mean,
Yeah.
it's a beautiful a historic building. I mean, I can't imagine this back then.
Yeah.
I totally think it's gorgeous. It's definitely worth checking it out, and you'll see for yourself.
And they have ghost tours as well. So anyway, see you guys around. We're gonna do some more riding and
Boo.
some more video. Bye. So the sunset you're looking at is from the Lakeside Inn, the hotel we stayed in at Mount Dora. The Lakeside Inn was founded in 1883, and it is the oldest continuously operated hotel in the state of Florida. The Lakeside Inn is listed in the National Register of Historic Places, and the owners are in the process of restoring the last pieces of the hotel. Our stay was great. They do say there are some ghosts and there are some ghost tours. To be honest, I think we experienced some poltergeist sounds last night. There were rooms, there were sounds above our room, but there are no rooms above us. So that was interesting. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this. Hey guys, I'm here with Randy and Jessica Marlene. We are at the Florida Cracker Monkey Bar in Homosassa on the west coast of Florida, having a blast, having pizza and some drinks before we head back to Mount Dora. It's amazing company. Randy rented a slingshot. Here's the footage of Monkey Island. Right now is going through renovation, but that's where the monkeys live. And I'm so sad you couldn't see them, but that's where it is. Even the lighthouse is getting renovated, I see.
And then my
Hey guys, we are still here at Mount Dora. There is a farmer's market with a bunch of cool things. Jessica around there is still with us, and Jose actually joined us. So I'm going to show you a few shots of the farmer's market. It's insane. It looks like things are great.
girlfriend of mine got me hers on this.
¿Qué dijo Jessica?
Puerto Rican style.
Mira,
Está lindo.
Homemade biscottes.
Mira, porque
I see kids that like birthday cake. You guys want to try a piece? Free sample.
ask for your signature here
Yeah, I told him I had
and your card here.
Oh my god, qué rico se ve eso.
some like candy saladas, locally grown.
Yeah, I've got it written.
el tamal. Perdón.
Scotty, some soft.
¿Cuánta puerta libre?
Really, really
Nada más
good.
de masaje.
That one here. Perfect. It's got chocolate, caramel, toffee, this part is nuts. And it's
Mira, for example, try the biscottis are amazing. Prueba, prueba, yo lo hago.
Like almond joy?
Prueba.
Oh my god. Okay, yeah. Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Uy, son sopas, ¿verdad?
¿Quieres probar?
Ah, dale.
Está bien suavecito.
Está bien.
A mí va, almond joy.
Oh my god. You're freaking good though.
Todos los de la casa limpia para que trabaje. Papi, te iba a decir. Oh, ya. Como nos la tomamos en aquel.
How are you today?
Good, and you?
Good. Coffee calls, huh?
Hello.
How are you?
Great, how are you?